This is scene 4. Yeah, scene 4. So this is the final one. So we have a little wreath. We have our decorated door. Got some melted snowballs and an ugly snowman. Some trees and some peppermints. And then when we turn it this way, there's some ugly, weird looking.
It's not ugly, it's just snow.
Well, lots of
With
ugly,
lights.
like weird snow right here. And then we got the windows down here. And then back here, we got our dangly back door, 2 trees, and a little star on top. And then up here, we got like purple gumdrops, more mints, decorated lights. We got some fell down icicles. And then right here, we got our chimney decorated. So that,
Don't squish the snowballs.
sorry. So that is the end.
Did you show the
over
front
here.
door?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
That is the end of right here.